Same layout, same colors, same typography. The only difference? Feedback. One feels dead, one feels alive. Today we fix that. Micro interactions are small, purposeful animations that respond to users' action. Over effects, button states, form validation, loading indicators. They communicate that the system is responding. When nothing changes after interaction, users hesitate. Feedback reduces uncertainty. Uncertainty creates friction. Good feedback builds trust. Types of micro interactions. Over feedback, subtle color shift, elevation. Active states, press button animation. Success feedback, checkmark animation. Error feedback, shake animation or red highlight. Loading indicators, progress feedback. Watch this. Static form. Now we add hover, focus state, loading indicator, success confirmation. Suddenly the interface feels responsive. Not because it looks different, because it reacts. Reaction creates realism. Here is where designers go wrong. Over animating everything, adding motion without purpose, making animations too slow, ignoring accessibility. Micro interactions should be subtle, fast, intentional. If your UI feels dead, it's not your design skills, it's your feedback system. Design isn't just how it looks, it's how it reacts. This is episode 17 of 100 UI UX Concepts in 100 Day series. If you're serious about building real products, subscribe and follow the journey. See you next. Bye bye.